So can you see this screen, gentlemen, of MCQ thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. And let me just see the video of mine. Let me just figure it out very quickly. Okay. Let me just in this video. Okay, perfect. So now this is there, and let me also have a little chat thing open. Security chat. Okay. So as I said yesterday, today the session would be in English only, so that everybody should benefit it, and there should not be any issue in that. So we will start from this. Today, I have decided to concentrate on the theater section because there's always one particular question with the theater. So that is the purpose. So I'm starting with this Ubale Dane toast par, boiled bean on toast. It sounds like a, because had I not been mentioning the Hindi thing, you would be a little confused. So whenever there is an English title, don't be confused with the foreigner versus Indian, because you need to look into the possibility. So answer is Girish Karnad. This play was also done last year by National School of Drama, and lady from Northeast came. So you can see the Robijita Gogai. She directed this play in Abhimanch, the final year student. So it's an important play. Girish Karnad is one of the important playwright, particularly now since he is no more, and he was the director of the FKI Pune also. So that's the one reason why he should be considered as important. Kindly unmute yourself so that everybody can hear others. Then we move to the next question. Who wrote the famous play Uttar Ramcharitra? Now there are many plays which are written in Hindi language. They become important. So Habib Tanveer is the answer, and you could see here, if I have a some image of only Habib Tanveer's image is there. I could not find the image of a play. Otherwise, I have edited on and off certain places. Now, who wrote the famous play Charan Das Chor? If you ask me, the most famous play of Charan Das Chor, I mean, the Habib Tanveer's play is the Charan Das Chor. So this is Agra Bazaar and Charan Das Chor are the two important plays which Habib Tanveer is known for. Habib Tanveer is no more. He is a recipient of Padam Shri and Padam Bhushan. Padam Shri, many people get it. Padam Bhushan, not every Tom, Dick and Harry will get. So that's important. Please unmute yourself. Somebody is have not unmuted, so kindly unmute yourself. Make sure that you are not disturbing the rest of the people. So then we move to the another who wrote the famous play Mitti Ki Gadi. As I said that the Habib Tanveer has written a couple of plays, though he is known for the Chhattisgarhi theatre basically in India, and one of the important director and playwriter. More of a director, less of a writer, but some of the productions are done by other people also. So basically the answer is Habib Tanveer. Who wrote the Qaid-e-Hayat? Now there are some people who are not very famous playwriter, but if you are a little bit aware about literature of Indian theatre and cinema. So Surinder Verma is a playwright who is written the Qaid-e-Hayat, and this is a production done by National School of Drama Repertory. Surinder Verma also has written a famous novel called Mujhe Chand Chahiye. Mujhe Chand Chahiye is a kind of a biography of a graduate from National School of Drama, and written in the background of what happens once somebody pass out from theatre and study in a theatre institute. So this Surinder Verma's play is very, very important. He has done another play called Surya Ki Antim Kiran Se, Surya Ki Pehli Kiran Se Antim Kiran Tak. There would be some question at some point over there. So Surinder Verma Qaid-e-Hayat is important thing. I've just found this image, that's why I've loaded it here. Now Chote Sayyad, Bade Sayyad. So this is another important production by the same writer which I just mentioned, Surinder Verma. So if there is an image, I will show it to you. So here's an image of the playwriter, not of the poster. I could find it. So I just mentioned it over here. This is the same play which I told you. सूर्य की अंतिम किरण से सूर्य की पहली किरण. This is a play which was done by NSD Repertory many years back in the early 80s, late 80s and early 80s. So you can count this as a important work of the Surinder Verma. Not many people would be knowing, because don't be under the impression that somebody is from northeast and somebody is from down south, so Hindi will not be asked in the examination. This is a national language, so if they can ask a poet from Odisha or somewhere else, they can ask from anywhere. Normally it would be Hindi or English which would be asked, and international, which we will talk about tomorrow. Today I'm just concentrating on the Indian part. So another question is Bikhre Bim. It is a Hindi translation of Girish Karnad's play. So Girish Karnad has written around, I would say, 10 productions, and this is one of the play which is known, and I'm not sure whether I have some image of this one. Yes. So you could see that this is a Ekal Natak, means solo performance. So Push and Bikhre Bim, here you could see the famous Indian actress who did this production, Shabana Azmi. So it's an important play by Girish Karnad. I would say important, and then there is something called most important. When I say most important, it means it has a more chances. Rak Kalyan is one of the most important productions, again written by the same guy, Girish Karnad. And this was performed by almost every group whosoever consider himself is an important group in India in Hindi theatre. Also, when Ibrahim Alkaji, who was the founder director, not founder basically, but important director who was the longest tenure as a director in National Store Drama, when he came back again to direct the play, he trained some group, some student, and then showcased around 4 productions. Long back, I'm talking about almost 25 years back or 20 years back. And Rak Kalyan was also performed there. So again, the same gentleman, Girish Karnad. So another play, who wrote the famous play, Wedding Album. So as I said that some of the plays are written by well-known people, but some of the plays I have included by not so important people. So again, it is a Girish Karnad. Let me see if there is an image. There should be, I suppose. Yeah. So Girish Karnad's play, Wedding Album, is an important but not very popular. But still, I thought I should include because it is a Girish Karnad's play. Coming to another famous play, Sabse Udas Kavita. Now, sometime they would, if you are not able to understand, please note it. Sometime when you read a question, and if you are not able to read the English, the Hindi thing which is written in English, so read what is written in Hindi. So in Hindi, you could read it better, and the exact pronunciation would be clear to you. So it is Swadesh Deepak, not a very well-known playwright, but some of the plays are known by the people. So I've just included one or two rather. Another famous play by the same author, which I just mentioned, Swadesh Deepak, is the Court Martial. Court Martial is done very often by a variety of people. So I would say, if you ask me among these two people play, the Court Martial is much more popular play than the Sabse Udas Kavita. Tughlaq. Tughlaq by Girish Karnad is the most widely performed and well-known play, to an extent that when Ibrahim Alkaji, when he was director in National Store Drama in 70s, he took this play not into the stage but into the open area of Purana Killa. Purana Killa of Delhi has very khandar and all those kind of a very realistic feel. And they performed Tughlaq over there with Manoj Singh and other people. Tughlaq is still performed by a variety of people. Anyone who consider himself to be an important theatre group, he would perform Tughlaq. So Girish Karnad's most well-performed, widely performed, well-known play is Tughlaq. So if they ask Tughlaq, it means it's an easy question they are asking. It's not a difficult question, provided we should know it. So that's one. Then Hayavadan is another play written by Girish Karnad again. Hayavadan is also popular, but as I said that some plays are very popular, some plays are not so important. But again, Girish Karnad, Hayavadan is another play. Let me see if there is a image. Okay, so just the image of the writer and production. Nagamandala is again a very popular and well-known play by the same author, Girish Karnad. So though other names are mentioned over here, but again, Girish Karnad's this play is equally popular. Coming to another play called Bali. Sometimes you might read it as a Bali, but it is not Bali, it is Bali. So Bali and Bali are two different things. So again, the same author, Girish Karnad. So I've just put them all together, but don't be under the impression that if I put 3 questions, fourth will also be Girish Karnad. I should have put it in a random disorder manner, but doesn't matter. So you should know these name of the play, irrespective of the fact where they are placed. So again, who wrote the famous play 5? This is another play by Girish Karnad, which was performed by Prasanna for the National School of Drama Repertory, and later on, a film was also made on the same film by the same name called Agni or Varsha, in which some Bollywood actors were there and directed by some other guy, I don't remember the name. So that film is also made on the same thing. So it can be also asked which play of the Girish Karnad was also made into a feature film. This is another question which can be formulated about this particular thing. So again, this is an important play from the point of view because the play was also converted into a feature length film. The Big Fat City. Who wrote the famous play Big Fat City? Again, there are some other people who wrote in a different language. Like Girish Karnad generally wrote in Kannada, and then it was translated into the Hindi basically. But most of the plays by Mahesh Dattani are written in English language. So the Big Fat City is Mahesh Dattani and performed by a couple of productions together. National School Drama had 5 plays by this Mahesh Dattani performed a couple of years back by the final year student, by the dean over there. So Mahesh Dattani is important. Where Did I Leave My Parda? Again the same author, Mahesh Dattani. 30 Days in September, again same author, Mahesh Dattani. So if there is an image, I will show you. Otherwise, you have to be happy. There is one image. So you can connect later on. Let me see if there is also an image. Yes. So where did I leave the parda? So this is Lilith Dubey who directed this production. But as I said, that the Shantanu, who was the dean at the National School of Drama, he performed 4 to 5 plays of Mahesh Dattani. Coming to next section. Again, as I said, the murder that never was, again the Mahesh Dattani was the author. And if there is an image, let me just show it to you. Yes, it's same Lilith Dubey who has done the thing. Now this is a little Hindi ka name, but I have included simply because of the fact that it is a Habib Tanveer's play, Gaon Ke Nao or Sasural. It's a little strange name, but I've just included for the sake of including it. Not a very popular play, but since it is written by Habib Tanveer, so as I said, that the Habib Tanveer is not just the Padam Shri, but Padam Bhushan awarded in doing contribution to the theatre. So Chhattisgarhi theatre is his contribution. I am again repeating so that it can be asked into a different way. Who among the following is a theatre personality? So Habib Tanveer is one answer. Agra Bazaar is another famous play by the same author, Habib Tanveer. He has written that production and many people has performed this play over the years. So this is another play by same guy. So 24 is again English play, Brief Candles, again by Mahesh Dattani, and it is also not widely performed, but yes, they can ask it because Mahesh Dattani is an important writer. Bravely Fought the Queen, again the same author which I said, Mahesh Dattani, who wrote this play. Let me see if there is an image to show you. Yes, there is an image. So it's a Penguin publication. You can imagine that must be something important. Dance Like a Man is a more popular play by the Mahesh Dattani and also converted into the film. It is also made into a feature film. And if I'm not mistaken, it was Mahesh also directed this film, if I'm not mistaken. But maybe someone else, I'm not sure. I need to check it. So Dance Like a Man is a famous play. If I need to choose one play which I would put into a question paper, it would be Dance Like a Man, because it's a popular and easy to answer by the students, I would say. Again, the final solution, same guy, Mahesh Dattani is the playwright for this one also. And Tara is another play which is written by Mahesh Dattani. So almost like 10 to 12 plays are there which are written by the same guy. Let me see if there is an image. Yes, there is an image for this. So most of these plays are also available on the publication way. So any publication of a play comes out, somewhere or other it becomes important. Okay, now we are moving more into the Hindi domain. Ashad Ka Ek Din. Everybody should know this name because he is one of the star playwriter in Hindi called Mohan Rakesh. So Mohan Rakesh play Ashad Ka Ek Din is performed by everybody. When we talk about Indian theatre, many people would love to perform this Ashad Ka Ek Din. And Manikal also has made a film on this play, but that is a little very tricky film and difficult to understand also. But if you have seen the production, then it will be much more easy. Manikal always experiment. So when we will talk about tomorrow, the alumni of FTI, tomorrow we will discuss, or maybe day after tomorrow. Then Ashad Ka Ek Din is one of the film which could be asked in the examination. So that's one thing. Again, we'll move to the Lehron Ke Rajhans. Again, as I said that if Mohan Rakesh is the star playwrighter, Lehron Ke Rajhans is again by the same author, Mohan Rakesh. Another play which is being performed in Indian theatre by many people. So this could be also considered as one of the important play. So three plays are important which are Mohan Rakesh play. So another come the Aadhe Adhure. Aadhe Adhure is again, as I said, that same writer. Three plays which are most important by the Mohan Rakesh is Aadhe Adhure, Ashad Ka Ek Din and Lehron Ke Rajhans. So again it becomes Mohan Rakesh. So there is also an award by the name of Mohan Rakesh, which is being given every year to new personalities who are contributing new playwriting. So you could, and this another question which I have not mentioned here is the Delhi Sahitya Academy, which is a state academy of Delhi, which take care of the literary scenario in Delhi. They have instituted an award by the name of Mohan Rakesh Award, and it can be asked who is the organization which give the Mohan Rakesh Award. So you could, they can ask this question, not directly but indirectly. Mohan Rakesh Award is given to new playwriters. You need to submit your play and it has to be freshly written, and then they will like it. There would be a selection committee. They will choose, read the plays. If they like the play, they would give a cash award, and then the same play would also be performed in the Kamani Auditorium by some respected theatre director. So Mohan Rakesh Award for theatre is very, very important. Hanush is another well-known play by Bhishma Sahni, written by Bhishma Sahni. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is about the watch repairer guy who repairs the watch, and this has something to do with that. I have not seen the play, but I just vaguely heard about it. So that's the one. Then it comes the Ghasiram Kotwal. Now, if you ask me, popular plays written by Vijay Tendulkar, another writer from Maharashtra. There are three important writers from Maharashtra who are big in theatre as a playwright. One of them is Vijay Tendulkar. Another is Maheshal Kunchwar. And third one is, I'm not able to recollect the name. So I have also formulated some questions. So Vijay Tendulkar is equally important a writer. So Ghasiram Kotwal by Vijay Tendulkar is being performed over the years. If you count number of productions done on this play by various groups, it would be more than 2,000 plays done all over the country of this particular production, Ghasiram Kotwal. So well-known play. Again, Abhigyan Shakuntalam, everybody knows about it. It's a Kalidas, so nothing too much. But I've see sometime very easy question which you think is not that important because you heard 100 times, so you don't include that. But it does not mean that question is not relevant. Question is relevant. Question is important. But you may think that it is not that important. But sometime I have seen in FTI entrance exam, some easy questions are also asked. Not always the difficult questions, but some easy question which people can answer. So that's why I said yesterday also that 15 questions can be answered by, I would say, more or less 50% of seriously people who are prepared seriously. I would say 15. But the game is not 15. Game is the balance, 7, 8 questions so that you could reach to a target of 22 marks. So that's one. Then we move to the Mita Ki Kahani. Again, as I said, the same author, Tendulkar, who has written a couple of productions. So let me just show you the image because it should be a good image of a, yeah. So these plays are being published by Vani Prakashan, I suppose. And that's why there is some pattern is there in the image over here when you will see other images. So coming to the Baby is again by Vijay Tendulkar, and similar kind of image you will also find. Just the name would be different, and playwright's name is being mentioned over there. So another play by Vijay Tendulkar. Now this name I can never pronounce correctly. Malvika Mitram, something like that. Is a Kalidasa's plays, and performed many a times by people. But sometimes if the name is tongue to stick, does not mean that it is not come. It could come. So again, coming to the play called Garbo. Now there are a couple of productions which are not done very often, but as I said that they can be asked because it is written by a important playwright. So if I'll show you the image of 4 or 5 plays. So Mahesh Alankunchuar's all these plays called Garbo, Desire in the Rock, Old Stone Mansion, Reflection, Sonata, An Actor Exists. All these 6 plays are Oxford India paperback publication. Okay. So as I said that I've just included 6 names over here by the same author. Mahesh Alankunchuar's one of the play called Holy is also adopted by Ketan Mehta for directing a film. It was shot into the FTI campus. Holy got the National Award for Best Cinematography for Jahangir Chaudhary because it was shot on 16mm, blown up to the 35, and long continuous shots are there. So it's a little complicated camera movement. So how that was performed, that was the reason why Jahangir got the National Award for this Holy. So Mahesh Alankunchuar is another film. There's another film called Party, which is written on the play of Mahesh Alankunchuar, directed by Govind Nilani. So that play also become important by the same author. So Mahesh Alankunchuar is important. Another very famous play called Jati Hi Pucho Sadhu Ki. Okay. Jati Hi Pucho Sadhu Ki, National School of Drama Repertory Company has performed it. Many people has performed it. And again, famous playwright Vijay Tendulkar. So let me see if there is a different image here. Okay. So there is a little different image of the play. So Repertory Company, I have seen this production. Quite an interesting one. Now, Kutte. It's not Kute, but it is dog. Basically, Kutte, dog means dogs. So again, the same writer, Vijay Tendulkar. Couple of productions are being done by variety of book. I have not seen this play, but it's worth looking at. So same writer, as I said, that who will be talked about very often. So all these, I've already told you, Mahesh Alankunchuar's couple of production over there. Reflection was one. Same book I have shown you the cover. So these 6 names which are mentioned over here is the same production, Mahesh Alankunchuar. And now the Desire in the Rock. Sometimes don't get confused when the names sound familiar with some other foreign production, because some of the plays are being translated into from Marathi into English. So again, it is Mahesh Kunchwar. Panchi aise aate hain. Many theatre group in Delhi particularly have performed this particular production. Again, the same writer, Vijay Tendulkar. So there is a probably there is a different image. Okay. So this is a different image of the same play, but normally it's the same publication which has published most of the plays by Vijay Tendulkar. 4 or 5 these people, Vijay Tendulkar, Mahesh Kunchwar, Mohan Rakesh, these are the 3 or 4, and of course, Badal Sarkar. We will be discussing some of the plays written by Badal Sarkar, performed all over the country by various people, not just the Bengal. So that's another important playwright. Anji, I'm not sure because this is I'm not confirmed about it, so I will not. I checked it today, but I could not figure it out the correct name. So please pardon me for this particular thing. I mentioned it, and I will refine the question of this one. Muavze is again well-known writer, which I have told you. So most of these productions are. Bhishma Sani has not written so many plays. As I mentioned, the Hanush was one. Then this Muavze is another production, which is by the same author. But let me see. Yeah, it's a different image over here. Famous novel which is being picturized by Govind Nilani. Everybody knows about it. It's called Tamas. So Tamas could be asked if they would choose an easy question to answer it by the student. So Bhishma Sani, Tamas, Muavze, and Kabira Khada Bazaar mein. I have not formulated that question somehow for strange reason. Kabira Khada Bazaar mein is also by Bhishma Sani, performed by M.K. Rana and many other groups. So yes, Bhishma Sani is also important. Then Madhvi is also by the same author, Bhishma Sani, and it's if I have an image, I can show you. So you could see the same very simple image, but I couldn't find the poster's image. So coming again to other productions. So Kanyadan is again the Vijay Tendulkar, and many of the shows in India are being done on this particular play. So Kanyadan is another play by the same author. Vikramo Vashi is again the Kalidas. Because most of these Sanskrit plays, I'm not saying all, but some of them are Shudra. There's another writer from that time, are also written by him. So whenever there is a Sanskrit name, you have to be a little conscious what kind of options you are getting it. An actor exit, I told you last time also, the same guy, Mahesh Kunchwar, who has written a couple of productions. So that's one. If there is a, okay, there's a different image. But I have shown you the earlier one in which 6-7 novel published by one group. Sonata is again by the same author, which I have just told you. So Mahesh Kunchwar for the same thing. Same image of the play, which published by the same publication. But here it's a different image I found it. So you could see that somebody is smoking, somebody is drinking. So it's an interesting image. I found it. So I have added over here. Again, moving to little, again, Indian section. Who wrote the famous play? Again, the same author, Vijay Tendulkar. So you can imagine what kind of productions he has written in past so many years. Encounter in Umbag land. So this is again the Vijay Tendulkar. So it's a little controversial play because it was written with a political background. So let me see if there is an image with this one. Okay. Not really, but his own image is there. So should be happy sometime keeping that much. For Kamla, let me see if there is an image. Yes, there's a very interesting poster design for that. So you could, sometime you connect the name of the play with the image of the poster. The Hindi name is called Gidd. In English, it is transferred as a Vultures, again by the same author, Vijay Tendulkar. As I said, the Vijay Tendulkar has written many plays. His daughter was a well-known TV actress, Rajni. There used to be a serial which was directed by late Basu Chatterjee. Basu Chatterjee passed away last year. So any work of Basu Chatterjee can also be asked. Rajini is a famous series which was written a couple of episodes or rather many episodes by Manu Bhandari. Mrs. Manu Bhandari is a well-known novelist and she wrote the screenplay for Rajini. Kabira Khabda Bazaar mein, we talked just now. I have given the questionnaire. Again, the Bhishma Sani. And as I said, this is a little interesting production done by variety of people. So this is the image I could found it, but there are many other interesting images. So coming to another play, again, some of the play might sound little foreigner, written by a foreigner, but actually you need to be very careful who has written what kind of play. So Spartacus is by Badal Sarkar and not so well known, but again, people knows about it. Andha Yug is performed by millions of people, thousands of times. You would be surprised that last time where the Meta Festival was there in Delhi, 18 plays came into the Meta entry for the Andha Yug performed by variety of people. If a play which is a star play in Hindi is Andha Yug, and it is Dr. Dharamveer Bharti who has been writing and is one of the novel is being converted into the feature film called Suraj Ka Satwaं Ghoda by Shyam Benegal. So Dharamveer Bharti was editor of Saptahik Hindustan for quite some time, and then he has written some other work also. So Old Stone Mansion, as I have already told you over there, there are those couple of things which are being written over there. So same book cover, Maheshal and Kunchwar's book. So it's a different image I got it, but interestingly designed a poster. So I thought to include this. So if you ask me, Maheshal Lungunchwar's Virasat is another play which I have not somehow included in this. So far I remember. Later on I was thinking I should do that. So Virasat is again by Maheshal Lungunchwar, which are being performed by a variety of group in National Store Drama Repertory and also last year by the second year students. So that's another important thing. Old Mansion is again the same author as I said. So Baki Itihas is a very famous Badal Sarkar's play. Many a times, if you ask me, which is the one of the famous play performed by Hindi theatre group, is Baki Itihas. So that's one you can always consider, important one. Then Basi Khabar is also another play by the same author, Badal Sarkar, which is being performed all over the places. Sakharam Binder is a play which I liked a lot. I have seen 2 times the same production done by different groups. So Sakharam Binder, if you ask me, if one production which people would think of including a play by Vijay Tendulkar, I would choose Sakharam Binder. If you ask me one play to choose for a FTI entrance exam, I would choose Sakharam Binder. It's a very interesting production performed by so many groups all over the country. So popular one also like Tughlaq by Girish Karnad. If Tughlaq is famous for Girish Karnad, so Sakharam Binder is famous for Vijay Tendulkar. Another play which is also converted into a film called Khamosh Adalat Jari Hai. It's I think should be next page. This is Silence, the court is in session. In Hindi, the translation is Khamosh Adalat Jari Hai. This is a play performed and also made into a feature film later on. So that is another famous play by Vijay Tendulkar. I think this play became more famous because of the film which was done on the play. So Sakharam Binder and Khamosh Adalat Jari Hai are the 2 famous plays of Vijay Tendulkar, though he has written many more productions. So Evam Indrajit is again, I would say, popular play by the Badal Sarkar, which is being performed throughout the not just the Bengal but also in Hindi belt. A lot of people have performed Evam Indrajit. Let me see if there is an interesting image here. Yes. So Sangeet Natak Academy awarded play, so it becomes more important. If you Pagla Ghoda is also important play by the same author, Badal Sarkar. So if I need to choose one play written by Badal Sarkar, I would choose this Pagla Ghoda. Not even the Evam Indrajit, but I would choose the Pagla Ghoda. It's a really interesting production to watch whenever you find a time, or if you can read this play, it will be interesting to read it also. Andher Nagri Chaupat Raja. Bhatendu Harishchand's most popular and performed production is Bhatendu Harishchand's play, Andher Nagri Chaupat Raja, and it is also a kind of a saying. Very often you hear in Hindi that people say Andher Nagri Chaupat Raja. Saiya Bhai Kotwal. Some of the playwriters are not, as I said, that they are not very famous, but some of their plays are very famous. So Saiya Bhai Kotwal is by Vasant Sabnis. Not a very popular name as a theatre writer, but some of his plays, he is not of that caliber of Vijay Tendulkar or Mahesh Alankunchwar, but still some of the plays are known. So Saiya Bhai Kotwal is a popular play by Vasant Sabnis. Again, this name is from Kerala, but it is of a national importance level name. This gentleman is no more. Kevalam Panikkar, and that's why the question I have formulated in a very generic pattern. He belongs to which form? Screenwriter, classical singer, choreographer, or theatre personality? Since he is no more, so people could just ask which field he belongs to. So I just included in a general manner. Let me see, there should be an image. No, there is no image. I was not able to load an image at that time. Okay. So Padma Vibhushan Award. Now this is a very important question. Please pay attention. Padma Vibhushan, Padam Shri, Padam Bhushan and Padam Vibhushan. There are three important Padma awards. I have in my thing, I will talk about that once I finish with these 84 questions. People ask in a different manner. Now, Balwant Purandar is not a big name, but in Marathi literature, people knows him with a respect. He has done a lot of research work on Shivaji Maharaj, and that's why he was awarded the Padam Vibhushan. So that's one thing. Then coming to who among the following is connected with the Punjabi theatre and had a stamp released? Now, many people get Padam Shri, but a postal service department would release a stamp only and only if the person has really contributed. So Balwant Gargi is the person who is connected with theatre and with Punjabi theatre, and the Indian postal services released a stamp. So I made it a little difficult to you. Neelam Mansingh Chaudhary is also Padam Shri. Balwant Thakur is Padam Shri, but from not from Punjab, but from the Jammu and Kashmir. So correct answer is Balwant Gargi. So sometime you might get confused with Balwant Gargi with Balwant Thakur. That's why I put Balwant Thakur also the name over here. He's also Padam Shri and well-known theatre personality in Jammu and Kashmir. Again, this is another way a question can be formulated. Please pay attention to this. Baswanna is the character of the play written by Girish Karnad. Name the play. Now, this is a little difficult question. Why? Because if you are not familiar, it's not a Shakespeare. You got my point? Girish Karnad is not a Shakespeare that you know the character of so-and-so was in this play and so-and-so character was in that play. So sometime when the examiner want to make the difficulty level higher, he would come out something like that. Since this production I have seen and I really like the Baswanna's character, so I thought that I will formulate a question. It's Rakt Kalyan is the name of the play, which was performed directed by Shantanu for outside production. And Rakt Kalyan, many people have performed all over the country. one of the popular play by Girish Karnad again. But this time I have not formulated a question. I formulated a question of the character. So if the character sometimes is that important, they might ask you, which means a little deeper knowledge of a play. So if the character is popular, because I remember 5 years back, FTI asked a question about Adur Gopalakrishnan, not in a very straightforward manner. They really make it difficult. How? They said, which of the Adur Gopalakrishnan film has this theme of the film? So if you are not aware of the synopsis of the film, you will not be able to answer it. So they wanted to know, have you read the synopsis of films? At least you should know what the film is all about. So 2 line, 3 lines synopsis of various important directors also need to be studied. I have added many questions this time during the lockdown, where we have added synopsis of certain films which could be asked in a different manner. Like Soumitra Chatterjee has acted in more than 70 films, rather 80. So I have selected around 10 important films of Soumitra Chatterjee and formulated the question, which of the following films has Soumitra Chatterjee as this character? So that's another way of formulating the question. Now, a very, very important man in the history of theatre, Indian theatre, as a director. I regard this man as brilliant. He is from Assam, and his productions are like without any dialogue. Okay, so more or less a visual productions. Please mute yourself till you are being asked to unmute. Please mute yourself so that you don't disturb others. So he was awarded the Padma Bhushan, and National School of Drama has a called theatre festival called Bharat Rang Mahotsav, and they paid the tribute to Hasnam Kanailal. Kanailal, people call it as a Kanailal until unless you want to pronounce the whole name. So it is not Kanhaiya Lal. Sometimes people say Kanhaiya Lal, but it is Kanailal. So anyway, you pronounce whatever way, but if answer has to be, you have to write the answer over there. So he is connected with the theatre personality. Pebat is his play which was shown over there. So if they would ask who directed the Pebat, so it is Kanailal. So that's another way to formulate a question. A difficult level. So since, as you can see, is the Padam Bhushan. So not just the Padam Shri, but Padam Bhushan. Not, as I said, everybody gets a Padam Bhushan in theatre until unless your contribution is really, really big. So in the language of theatre, he has developed a language of theatre. In Manipuri theatre, if you ask two big names, not Assam but Manipur. He's from Manipur. The two big names in the Manipur theatre is Kanailal and Ratan Thayam. Ratan Thayam is still alive. I have formulated one question on the Ratan Thayam later on. I would come to that later. So Meta Award is connected, basically it's a private theatre festival and sponsored by Mahindra and Mahindra. So it's connected with the theatre. Meta Award is connected with the theatre. Who among the following is not connected with the Punjabi theatre? Balwant Gargi is Punjabi theatre. Surjit Singh Sethi is Punjabi theatre. Neelaman Singh Chaudhary is Punjabi theatre. Balwant Thakur is from Jammu and Kashmir. So not connected with the Punjabi theatre. Here, the same question, that stamp thing, I reformulated in a different language. SNA Award for the Dance Music Theatre. Now, this is very, very important. Sangeet Natak Academy Award is a very important 500 names. You really have to find time to mug it up. If the examiner want to make your life hell, they will formulate any name. Who play Ghatam, who play Veena, who play this. So please, I have formulated those questions over here. I will come after the lecture is over. So who SNA Award for the Dance Music Theatre in the year 2008, announced in 2019, is given by the President. Who received the Best Theatre Director Award? So obviously this particular year, it was Sanjay Upadhyay. Sanjay Upadhyay is well known for various productions. One of the famous play is Videsya, which he has directed, and many other production he has done. He was the director of Madhya Pradesh Drama School also, and that's why I formulated this question. Before this particular year, who got the Best Director Award for the theatre? It was the Sunil Shanbag and Bapi Bose together. It was tied between these two people. So Sunil Shanbag is based in Bombay, very well-known theatre personality, and Bapi Bose is based in Delhi, well-known theatre personality again. Govind Nilani's film. Now this is a tricky question. Govind Nilani's film Rukmavati Ki Haveli is based on the play by, now until unless you know, you can't guess. Guesswork will not help. Now this is an international name. So Brett, Henrik Ibsen, Lorca and Strindberg. So it is Federico Garcia Lorca. It's called Rukmavati Ki Haveli, and the same play is performed by many people in India also. We will talk about when we will discuss the cinema in international section. Let me see if there is a image of the thing. Okay, just the writer's image. Govind Nilani's film play, so Party, I told you, based on the Mahesh L. Kunchwar's play, which was directed by Govind Nilani. It's a theatrical kind of film which happens inside a house where the party is going on. Ketan Mehta, Holi, again the Mahesh L. Kunchwar, I told you. Best award for Jahangir Chaudhary, and Amol Gupte also acted in that film. Who among the, and for a very short role, you would be surprised, Amir Khan is also there in that film. In Holi, Amir Khan has a 3-minute or 2-minute role in that particular film. So imagine, with Ketan Mehta, he started his career as a film. I was in a Locarno festival almost 12 years back. Locarno is an important festival of cinema, and after Berlin, Venice, Cannes. So that particular year I went over there. So Amir Khan's film called Rising was also there. So it's a small courtyard where we were sitting with Uma Dakuna, and Amir was also there, and Ketan Mehta. So Amir went for something, and I asked Ketan, look, the destiny that Amir started with you with a very small role in your film called Holi, and today the biggest budgeted film which you has directed and he has acted in, within a span of, I would say, 30 years, how a person who started very small with a director later on did the big budgeted film, which was presented into the Locarno Film Festival as the opening film of that particular year. Rising was opening film, and Amir and all these people were there in the opening ceremony. So coming to the Ketan Mehta I was talking about, Mirch Masala of the Ketan Mehta is another important film which is based on a Chunni Lal Madiyar or something like that name, which is a story written in Gujarati language which he adapted for that film. So that's also in cinema section, we will talk about that. So this is again, who among the following never received the Padma Shri? So now this is a little tricky because you should know Satyadev Dubey is Padma Bhushan. Sanjana Kapoor has not received the Padma Shri. B.V. Karanth has received the Padma Shri. Raj Bisaria has received the Padma Shri. Raj Bisaria was the director of BNA, and he kind of a founder of Bhatendu Natya Academy in Lucknow. People who are from Lucknow should be knowing about Raj Bisaria, not just the Lucknow people, but people who are preparing for FTI. Many of the international production he did in a BNA adaptation of thing, and he was the professor of English language also in there. Who among the following was the director of National School of Drama and later became the chairman of its governing body? A tricky question. Many people think that theatre karte hain, but question answer dena aur theatre karna dono alag-alag cheezein hain. So it's basically Ratan Thayyam, who was the director of National School of Drama and later on became the chairman also of the governing body. Both are, he's the only person. Now, who among the following was the founder of Bharatang Mahotsav, theatre festival organized by National School of Drama? A tricky question until unless you know it. It is Ram Gopal Bajaj who started the festival. So correct answer is Professor Ram Gopal Bajaj. Last and more question. Please unmute yourself, mute yourself so that you don't disturb others. Who among the following has the longest tenure as a director of National School of Drama? Now, it is Ibrahim Alkaji who remained director for maximum years, and after that, always it is a 5-year the director was appointed. So, Ibrahim Alkaji is the correct answer. Who among the following was the first director of NSD? Very tricky question until unless you know it. It is a Sattu Sen, not MS Sattu, but Sattu Sen. People who are from Calcutta or people from Bengali theatre should be knowing his name. So it is not Ibrahim Alkaji, but a Sattu Sen. It is a difficult question until unless you know it, you can't answer it. You can't guess it. Even I didn't know it. When I was looking into NSD website, I found that it is not Ibrahim Alkaji who started the NSD, but it was Sattu Sen for few years. Who among the following was never the director of National Institute of Drama? So indirectly, I am telling you who were the people who were the director of the National Institute of Drama. So Professor Mohan Marshi was the NSD director, Ratan Thayyam was NSD director, Kirti Jain was NSD director, M.K. Rana was not the NSD director, though he is a popular personality. He acted in a film called 27 Down by Avtar Krishan Kaul. And it's a black and white film, very interesting film, shot by A.K. Veer, for which he got the National Award also. Last question of the day. Firoz Abbas Khan, who directed famous musical play called Mughal-e-Azam, also directed the film called Gandhi, My Father. So these are the 84 questions of today, and I have tried to be focused rather than taking up the various things. Before I finish it off, I would just give you an overview of here. Now, in this website, I have, whenever we add something new, there is a section over there called What's New. So here you could see that in the month of July, we added 87 questions. In the month of June, we added 121 questions. In the March, we did not do anything, but in the month of, June, May, we did not added anything. In the month of April, 159 question. March, 119 question. So that's how we keep adding 100 plus questions every month. So we keep updating this site, and that's one of the reasons we discontinued with the book. And here you can take a test, as I said, and see your result. I have shown you yesterday. Now, also somebody asked me a question yesterday that which are the section we should to focus. So for example, in a music, Indian music and international music, in cinema, we have very elongated list of Tamil cinema, Telugu, Hollywood, Cannes Film Festival. Even in the Cannes Film Festival, we have variety of other things. Malayalam cinema, we keep adding various questions. Marathi cinema, Hindi cinema, Bengali cinema, we have a 108 question. There we have a subdivision also by Kaushik Ganguly, Mrinal Sen, Tapan Sinha, Aparna Sen, Gautam Ghosh, Rituparna Ghosh, Satyaj Ray, Ghatak. So these are subcategories. And the foreign language Oscar, again there are a couple of questions. So these are various sections in painting, Indian painting, international painting, photography, Indian photography, international photography. Dance, we have Indian dance and international dance. In theatre, Indian and international. Sculpture, awards. Various kind of awards exist, like Sahitya Academy Award, Palme d'Or. Palme d'Or, we have a subdivision also in the Palme d'Or, I suppose. Best film, best screenplay, best director, best actress, best actor. It's the only award we have concentrated maximum after the Oscar. After the Oscar, this is a very, very important award. If they really want to make your life difficult, they can do it. Otherwise, also for your general awareness, I would recommend that these names of roughly around 100 films or 150 or 170 films which got some award in some category or other, mainly the best film, best screenplay, best director, best actress, best actor. So that's another thing which is important. Jnanpith Award is also important. Then we have a national award. Bharat Ratna is very important because not every Tom, Dick and Harry get the Bharat Ratna. Now, there's a little thing which I wanted to point out this Bharat Ratna in the sense that when we formulated the question, we were really struggling how to do it. So year is not important. In which year, who got it? So they will say, who among the following got the Bharat Ratna? So they will put one name who received the Bharat Ratna and rest of the people were not Bharat Ratna. They may be popular, but not the Bharat Ratna. They may ask who, along with whom, particular year, 2 or 3 people got the Bharat Ratna. So it could be a tie with 2, 3 people. So that could be asked. Year is not important, as I said. Same for the Nobel Prize. Literature and peace, only 2 Nobel Prizes are important. Not the chemistry, physics, mathematics, and other thing. But yes, for recent Nobel Prize, they might ask some other department, but I would recommend only peace and literature are the 2 Nobel Prize which are important from the FTI entrance exam point of view. So this is in brief. If you have something specific to ask, there are just 5 minutes left. Let me see. I was not. Let me just stop screening. Stop share. And there are so many chats over here. Not too many this time. Oh, there are. There are. So as I said that I would take up these questions, comments separately and load into a PDF file over there. So you can read those comments. Sometimes it's very important that other people should also know what you are thinking of the entire thing. So there are still 5 minutes left. If anybody has a question, which is an important question, I would not read into the comment. You can unmute yourself. You can raise your hand, and I would name it, and that person can ask the question. Please raise your hand if somebody has a question. So more or less, everybody seems to be saturated. So not a problem. Okay, somebody has raised the question. Pratyush Varsne, please ask the question.
Sir, my question is that, sir,
Rest of the people remain unmuted. Hello, please carry on.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि सर फिल्म एनालिसिस के लिए सर उसको कैसे लिखने की तैयारी उसकी कैसे करें?
लिखने की तैयारी का तरीका ये है कि आपके पास 5 या 6 पॉइंट होने चाहिए, क्योंकि डिपेंड करता है कितने मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है। अगर वो क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स का है तो आपके पास 5 पॉइंट होने चाहिए जो आप मेंशन करेंगे। This particular thing, this particular thing, this thing in the film. I like this character. I like this particular scene. I like this particular shot taking. I like this. So anything which is very specific. Now in this room, what do you like? This room has a special characteristic which none of you has, which is a background, which is a variety of posters pasted on the glass panel. Okay. And my camera is not having some fan showing into the bloody top and thing like that. It is not a low angle. It is a eye level. It is an interesting background. Enough light on my face so that you can see my face, though there is a bright object, but it is not overshadowing on my face. So specific thing you have to write. I have given 2 sample of pages. One is a Contempt by Godard and another is by Cinema Paradiso, one of my favorite films. So I have everything. If you watch that film carefully, you would find I have also loaded a particular film analysis on our YouTube channel. If you watch it, it is by Professor Surinder Chaudhary, who taught into the FTII for 30 years or more than that rather. So when it comes to writing, point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. Do not say nice cinematography, nice lighting, nice editing, nice acting, nice this, nice that. No. Tell me what is nice. What's my point? Something very, very specific. You should be able to answer it. That is my answer. Sora,
please resend the link, sir.
I had sent the link in the morning. I will do it because some people were added later on. So I'll redo it. No problem. Sora, please.
Hello, sir. Sir, for the direction course, what are the technical perspective that we can study for MCQ point of view?
For MCQ point of view, direction student. See, again, all these MCQ questions are mixed with others. It is just they wanted to have a different MCQ. That's why. So there is no specific thing. But yes, about lenses, about aspect ratio. You should know what is a normal lens, telephoto lens, where you will get the maximum coverage, whether it is a wide angle lens or whether it's a telephoto lens. They might ask something like that. But normally, so far, they have not asked such kind of question. So I don't assume. But yes, for cinematography, be ready that they might convert this 70 marks of paper into 50 only descriptive, 20 MCQ technical. Okay. So same for the sound recording. Maybe for editing, but not for direction and acting. I don't see. So that's my answer. Shibam, okay. Kunal Sani Grahi. Kunal Sani
Yes,
Grahi.
hello, good evening, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask about the domain-specific answers. How much pages of answers are we supposed to write in point-wise?
Very good question. Have you subscribed for the 5 days more classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is I would describe over there. What kind of question in a descriptive depend upon the space given to you and the marks allocated to you. So if it is a 5 marks, 5 point. If it is a 10 marks, then it is a 10 point. That is my rule of thumb. Samir Sharma.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I appeared in the direction and screenwriting paper last year. So there is a question in regards to writing a story by including different camera shots. So I wasn't able to to how do I write. I had a story in my mind. How do I inculcate different camera shots while writing that?
See, what they would have been asking probably is because the question paper is not loaded on the website, so I really don't know. But if you could remember the exact thing, you can shoot an email and I'll try to answer. What they would like to know was the shot breakdown, basically. Okay, this
Right.
particular shot, you would like to have it in a long shot, then this particular would you like to in a long shot or mid shot or close shot. So probably that was the reason for them to ask it. And that's how you would visualize in terms of shot breakdown. That was the purpose they were looking for it. So there is no intelligence is required for that, but I don't know why they asked this question. There are sometimes stupid questions are being asked, Samit. I'm sorry to say that, but that's the way the people are. Okay, Aditya. Aditya, are you around?
हेलो
Yeah.
हाँ सर, तो मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है ये डोमेन स्पेसिफिक के ऊपर है सर। वहां पे जो लिखा होता है कि किसी एक्टर का या मतलब एक्टिंग में ये जो एक्टर्स का जो कैरेक्टर्स वो डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए वो जो देता है, मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल अक्षय कुमार ले लीजिए, अजय देवगन ले लीजिए, ऐसे जो लिखा होता है जो देता है, तो सर उसको कैसे हम लिखें?
नहीं, आप एक्टिंग के लिए बात कर रहे हैं? कौन से कोर्स के लिए बात कर रहे हैं
सर?
कौन से कोर्स की बात कर रहे हैं?
एक्टिंग।
एक्टिंग आपने डोमेन स्पेसिफिक के लिए 5 दिन की क्लासेस के लिए सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है?
हाँ सर, मैंने सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है।
उसमें जो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए जाएंगे 5 दिन में, उसमें एक यही डिस्कस किया जाएगा कि एक्टर्स की परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में क्या लिखना है। Every time there is a choice, choose one of the following actor or 2 actors and choose one of the film and describe about that. Sometimes they will leave it open to you. So I have listed around 45 actors. And how you are going to describe that, I will give you an example from Soumitra Chatterjee's film by showing that particular section of the film and how to describe that particular scene's performance. So I would quote an example, so kindly wait. Okay.
Oh,
next.
Thank you, sir.
Naman Zarbade.
हेलो सर।
Yeah.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू को लेके था कि सिनेमेटोग्राफी वालों के लिए क्या ये थिएटर के एमसीक्यू इम्पोर्टेंट है?
बिल्कुल है, बिल्कुल है, क्यों नहीं है? थिएटर का सिनेमेटोग्राफी वालों को नहीं पता होना चाहिए? तुम्हें नहीं पता होना चाहिए कि विजय तेंदुलकर कौन है? तुम्हें नहीं पता होना चाहिए कि ये महेश कुंजवार कौन है? ये तो मैं बड़े सिंपल आज लिया है। तुम लोगों का खोपड़ी घूम जाएगा इंटरनेशनल वाले सेक्शन के अंदर जो नाम मैंने इकट्ठे किए हुए हैं। ये मैंने सिंपल इसलिए रखा है कि तुम लोग भाग ना जाओ, सो ना जाओ, कल थोड़ा आ जाओ क्लास में। इंटरनेशनल सेक्शन में तुम्हारा खोपड़ी फट जाएगा, खोपड़ी घूम जाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि ब्रेथ ने 20 प्ले लिखे हैं। अब कौन सा आएगा? तो मैंने उसमें से केवल वही प्रोडक्शन चूज किए हैं जिसको हिंदुस्तान में परफॉर्म किया गया, जिसके बहुत सारे प्रोडक्शन हुए हैं। इसके ऊपर मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया है, ऐसे उठा के कट पेस्ट करके चेप नहीं दिया है मैंने। यू गॉट माय पॉइंट? तो कौन सा प्रोडक्शन चेकॉव का इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन सा ब्रेथ का इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन सा लोरेका का इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन सा दारियोफो का इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसमें जितने इंटरनेशनल स्टार लोग हैं, स्टार जैसे यहाँ पर तुम महेश कुंजवार या विजय तेंदुलकर को स्टार मानते हो, तो वो लोग स्टाइनबर्ग को स्टार मानते हैं। मैं शेक्सपियर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, शेक्सपियर को सब लोग जानते हैं। मैं उन लोगों की बात कर रहा हूँ जो धंधे में जमे हुए लोग हैं, खतरनाक लोग जो धंधे के अंदर है, थिएटर में, प्ले राइटिंग के अंदर, मोलियर, ये सब लोगों की बात है। तो वो मैं कल जो है उसके ऊपर फोकस करूंगा। तो यस, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। So more or less it is 704, gentlemen. I'm launching the poll. Please be blunt. Mark your thing, and that's it for today. I think today I was focused. Yesterday somebody said that, sir, be focused. He was an intelligent boy. He mentioned in a privately. So I learned from there, and that's why I took I did not till 7 o'clock. 5 minutes before I started, and maybe still I would go through the comments yesterday and today's comment, put them into a PDF file, load it on the site so that you should be able to read them, because sometimes some people ask very important questions, some important in the sense relevant question. So I would choose those questions that you should also be knowing about it, and that was the purpose. So this is in brief, gentlemen. I would have continued. Today I came half an hour before so that I could take up certain questions. I would also do the same tomorrow also, so that little more time I have, but not after 7 o'clock because I have to attend some seminar. So thank you very much, and I think everybody has done it. So have a nice day and good luck. Wish that it would be some helpful thing for you. And recording would be available not immediately in the early morning, but by the tomorrow afternoon. So be patient, and you should be able to review it again. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I am not on WhatsApp group where his recording is available. Where is the recording is available?
We will add it. Just SMS me on my WhatsApp group. We will send it to you also. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.